What's going on, y'all, man? It's your boy Josh here, man. I'm in the kitchen today, about to whip up some steaks, man. I got 2 top sirloin steaks. To be honest, I don't even know what kind of steaks these is. But I'm about to put them on the stove so they can sear a little bit. Then we're gonna put them in the oven. And then I'm about to head out and go to the shop. We got it painted. We moved some stuff in. So when I go there, I'm gonna take some more stuff and I'm gonna rearrange it a little bit. And then I'm gonna show you guys around in the room. It looks totally different from the last video when I showed you guys. So yeah, let's cook these steaks, see how they turn out, and I'm gonna go to the shop. I'm about to sear these for like 2 minutes on each side. My new name, JoshXBarber, you know what I'm saying? Tap in with me. When I'm in the kitchen cooking, it's like it'd be too much going on at one time. I'm already stressed about how to season it and stuff, so trying to clean up at the same time is just like too much. You feel me? The steaks are in the oven, and I can't wait to show you guys how they turn out. But before we leave the house to go to the shop, I want to talk to you guys about something that I've been working on for a while. My JoshXBarber Academy, dropping my first course coming soon. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you seen me talk about it a while back when I first came up with the idea. I did like a poll on if you guys would want a course showing how to make different streams of income and how to just grow your brand on social media. So this is like a little sneak peek until my course. I'm gonna show you guys like the cover. This is my logo I have for JoshXBarber Academy. And this right here is my cover photo, social media barber blueprint. You know, branding, man, JoshXBarber LLC. In this course, I'm gonna basically be like prioritizing and growing your brand on social media, utilizing social media as a barber, how you can grow your brand, reach new clients, and also make money online, getting new income streams passively while you're doing what you love. And it's something I really want to do, you know, to help the barber community, because when I was coming up, I didn't have anybody to like show the way for me as far as like growing my brand online. Because in these days, it's really important to grow your brand online with your business. If you're a barber and you're not utilizing social media, I won't say it'll hinder you from your success or how much money you can make in the shop, but the fact that it's so much more money out there just utilizing your brand and more opportunities just by having a platform. And I want to show you guys, you know, how I got to where I'm at right now and all the possibilities that you have with growing your brand online and being more than just a barber behind a chair. So yeah, that was a little sneak peek, y'all. Something I've really been working on and something that I really want to give to like newer upcoming barbers in the industry, or just barbers that want to build their brand even more and learn how to make new revenue streams just from sharing their gift online. So stay tuned for that. Let's go check on the steak and see how it's looking. Steak is done. I'm about to taste it, man. Give y'all an honest review. Y'all, the steak was good. The taste test, I passed. Hopefully I can cook for y'all one day, man. Cook y'all up a good steak. Let me let y'all see how it looks. Something slight. I ain't no chef, but I like a good steak. It's one of my favorite meals to eat. Before I head over to the shop, I have a quick errand to run. I have to go over to PetSmart to pick up my dog some dog food. I forgot I ran out this morning, and ain't no telling when I'm getting back home. So I gotta go pick it up and drop it off back at the crib to make sure my boy eats. And I'm gonna go drop off some of this stuff at the shop. You see I got my ring light back there. And I got a couple things right here in this bag that's been sitting in my crib in the living room for the freaking longest. And I finally get to move it out. So I'm going over there tonight to kind of get things situated. Me and my guy K Cutter, we're gonna go together. The guy I was telling you about that I'm moving with, we're gonna head over there together and we're gonna get the room situated just to see how we wanna do things, get everything set up. Cause I know he's gonna be cutting there already, cause he's been in Atlanta for like a little over a year, I think, or maybe 2 years, I forgot. He's already been here, so he has like a clientele kind of built up already. And he's gonna start cutting actually tomorrow. And I'm gonna wait till probably the beginning of next week to really cut. So I'm just go over there and just get everything out the crib, and I'm gonna show you guys the suite. It looks dope, man. It looks like a whole totally different room. If you guys watched my last video, you seen the walls were like messed up. I didn't even get into detail for real. I just kind of showed you guys around. But when you guys see it this time, it's gonna look like a totally different room, fresh white paint, and and I got my barber chair and everything in there. So I'm gonna see you guys when I get to the shop. What's good, y'all? So we at the suite right now, man. Checking back in. I'm gonna let y'all see the room real quick. Got my dog K Cutter right here, man.
Yo.
Setting this shit up. He getting his station right.
Getting everything together.
Yeah, we ain't really got the room together yet, but man, y'all see it's a major difference from how it looked the first time. This is gonna look way different. So yeah, we're really just getting everything set up. I ain't really doing too much, cause I ain't cutting yet, probably till like next week. So we're gonna be getting the room situated. So if y'all in the A, man, make sure y'all come through and book up your boy. Y'all already know what's going on. Got my dog K Cutter right here, man. Follow him on IG, man.
KCUTTTA. Follow me, man. You know what I'm saying? TikTok, same thing. You know, we doing big things out here in the A.
Yeah, man. So y'all go check him out, man. He a dope barber. We finna take over the city down here and put out some fire cuts in the city. So when y'all come through, y'all gonna check us out and y'all gonna get right, man. Yeah,
I'm probably gonna use. I love this razor. If I can find out
disposable ones. Oh, this the kind
it's disposable.
Oh yeah, it's hard. Yeah, like. What's good, y'all? Just at the gym. Got an early morning workout in. Start my day. I know y'all seen the shop. I can't wait to get back in the shop and show y'all some more dope haircuts and just my new journey in ATL. So hopefully on the next video, I'll be in the shop showing y'all some crazy haircuts. If y'all not subscribed to the channel, make sure you guys go down and smash that subscribe button. Turn that notification bell on. And leave a comment on this video and let me know what you guys want to see next. And make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at JoshXBarber. I'll see y'all on the next video.